Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tarot Learning with Shelly. My name is Shelly and I'm really happy that you are here today. On this channel, I will teach tarot cards in a very simple and friendly way. So, even if you are a complete beginner, you will be able to understand and learn tarot step by step. Okay? So, think of this channel like a small tarot learning journey where we will learn everything slowly and clearly together. So today's video is chapter 1, that is introduction to tarot cards. So before we start learning the meaning of the tarot, it is important to understand what tarot cards are and where they come from. So first let me tell you a little about tarot cards history. Okay, listen to it very carefully. So tarot cards actually started many years ago in Europe around 15th century. At that time, they were mainly used as playing cards for games. But later, people started using these cards for spiritual guidance and understanding different life situations. So, over time, tarot becomes a tool that many people use for self reflection, intuition, and guidance. So, tarot does not control your life and of the future to happen. Instead, tarot helps us to understand the energy around us and give us the clarity when we feel confused about something. So, now let's talk about the structure of a tarot deck. So, what is tarot deck? A standard tarot deck has 78 cards in total, and this has been invented or executed by Rider Waite. So you can find multiple cards. So these 78 cards are divided into two main parts. The first one is called Major Arcana, and Major Arcana have 22 cards, and these cards represent important life lessons, major changes, and deep spiritual experience in a person's life. So, some example of major arcana cards are the Fool, the Magician, the High Priestess, the Empress, and the World. So, these are called major arcana. So, whenever major arcana cards appear in any reading, they usually show that something meaningful or important is happening in that person life journey. Okay, so the second part of the deck called minor arcana. So the minor arcana has 56 cards, and these cards usually represents everyday situations and experience. So minor arcana is divided into four suits. The first suit is called cups, which is connected with your emotions, love, and relationships. The second suit is called pentacles, which represents money, career, work, and material things. Okay? I hope that is clear till now. The third suit is wands, which is related to action, passion, motivation, and energy. And the fourth suit is swords, which represents your thoughts, communication, challenges, and sometimes difficult situations. So I hope that is clear till now. So when we do a tarot reading, we look at the cards and understand the message by combining the card meaning and our intuition. So, on this channel, I will guide you step by step so that you can learn from tarot. You can learn tarot easily and build confidence in reading the cards. Okay. So, in the next video, we'll start learning about the major arcana cards, and we will begin with the very first card of the tarot deck, which is the Fool. Okay. So, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next chapter of our tarot learning journey. So I hope you will enjoy this journey, and you will learn tarot very easily and very in a very basic way. So if you have not buy the till now you have not bought any tarot deck, you can buy it from Amazon. You can buy a tarot deck from Rider Waite. This is very famous one, and you just buy it, and then we'll start the next chapter, and we'll start from the major arcana. Till the time, you can subscribe my channel, like my video, share it with your friends who want to start their career in tarot reading. So see you then. Bye. Take care.